What am I doing? I'm not good at posing.
Oh my god, you look so glamorous! Oh my god! Where she came from?
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very different video. It's not makeup on myself. It is makeup on my best friend, Tony.
Hi guys.
She and I have gone way back. We used to work together and I thought it would be only appropriate to do a tutorial featuring my newest launch for my brand, One Size Beauty, that we use the Visionary Collection. If you guys didn't know, if you guys are living under a rock.
For real.
Where
have you been?
The other PatrickStarrr is up in here. I dropped a beauty brand called One Size Beauty exclusively in Sephora, North America, US, and Canada. 500 stores. So crazy. My face is everywhere, you guys. On billboards, on storefronts. I have a display. There is more to come. So with that being said, what's in Sephora? I have dropped a Visionary eyeshadow palette. This is my all day, everyday essentials. Beautiful, creamy mattes, pops of color, beautiful shimmers. I also dropped a Point Made 24-hour liquid eyeliner pen. I also dropped a Point Made 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil, waterproof, so freaking good. And I also dropped 5 eye poppers, Sparkle Vision eyeshadows, and they are so beautiful. They are liquid eyeshadows that are flake free, that don't dust off on the lash. They stay on, they dry down super fast. This collection is inspired by all of you and inspired by my friends like Tony, who has been with me from the beginning, and it really means so much to me that I'm able to have friends come on this journey with me. We worked together in retail back in the day, so to be selling makeup for another brand, but now to be selling our own shit from my brand, to have people come on this journey with me and take them along with me. Tony is a part of the One Size team as well, so it really means a lot to me that I'm able to share this journey and experience with people that have been with me from the very beginning. She's part of a team called my Cats team, my creative artist team on One Size Beauty, and I'm so fortunate to have friends and talented individuals join the One Size team, and I hope to have you guys along this One Size journey with me as well. So today we did this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look. It is full coverage, it is lashy, it is very, very smoky. It is concealed, baked, highlighted, blush, nude lip. She is ready to trick on the streets, okay, y'all? So if you guys want to see how we did this beautiful full coverage look on Tony, then keep on watching. And don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. All right, guys, this is Tony before the glam and the cake face. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Tatcha Radiant Brightening Serum and apply this on the face. I've been inspired by Harush, who loves to use skincare pretty much as skin prep, which I think is a beautiful celebrity trick on the face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen and apply this under the eyes and stamp it in with a beauty blender and also prep the lips. Literally, I have missed doing makeup so much on people during this quarantine. I was like, this is my time, and we've been quarantined together, and I love Tony so much. I'm gonna go ahead and take face and body now and apply this all over the body just to kind of give her a little bit of a tan because she was looking quarantined. Just wanted to give her this bronze silky glow with face and body. Now I'm gonna go in and shape her brows and give her a little bit more of a dramatic arch since we are doing a more dramatic eye and we're gonna slay a wig on her. So I wanted to make sure that the brow shape and the brow look and density matched kind of like the look altogether. To frame the eyes. Now I did a little bit of a Q-tip to kind of wipe away the beginning of the brow, because right here, this is where I wiped it with a Q-tip because I wanted to go ahead with a brow powder and fill that in with a brow powder. And I have been a fan of brow powders for so long. I kind of want to get into it again when I'm doing other people's makeup, and I know a lot of celebrity artists use brow powders as well. Now for here, this is optional, most definitely optional. This is definitely concealing with a little bit of concealer and cutting the brow, and I'm taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base and patting that all over the lid. She looks definitely crazy right here, a little water break. but I wanted to go a little bit out and do a very graphic liner look for you guys. Now over here, this is the Lancome Tint Idole foundation, the 24-hour long wear foundation. It's so beautiful. It melts into the skin. It gives a beautiful kind of skin-like finish. You can set it, you can leave it. It most definitely stays and looks good on camera, which is one of my favorites. And now for concealer, I love taking cream concealers and using that pretty much as like a first layer to color correct. Now you can tell this is most definitely a different shade than the concealer under her brow. I didn't want to go too crazy with the concealer under her eyes. I think that was like very the last era of beauty where it was like super white under the eye, and now it's just about focusing on the look as a whole. I think that's where makeup has taken us now. But don't get me wrong, I love a bright under eye, so I went with the color NW25. Now this is Anastasia's foundation stick, which I love too. I wanted to create pretty much like a natural skin tone contour for her face, which I didn't want to do anything too dark, too gray, too orange. Blend it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with the PatrickStarrr MAC setting powder. Patrick's powder. This is so, oh my gosh, such my favorite powder. Look at how blurred the skin looks. I went ahead and I baked it under her eyes, but for the rest of the face, I just patted it just to give it that skin-like finish. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Visionary eyeshadow palette exclusively in Sephora and onesizebeauty.com. Oh my gosh, you guys, so crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take Mango and Soft Serve and blend this in the crease. I actually am obsessed with always using these colors for literally anybody, any skin tone, and just blending it in. It does give a warmer, more yellowy mango look, but I think it's just a nice base layer for the rest of the neutral tones. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Booked, which is that more deep terracotta shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to build out this crease. I love this eye so much. She has such beautiful big eyes. I wanted to go ahead and just start building a smoky eye, and I'm taking that color and bringing it all the way towards the nose. And I'm gonna go ahead and deepen and emphasize this look using the color Brownie. And next I'm gonna take Everything, which is this beautiful lid color. It's in the center of the palette. It's so beautiful. Like when you see it, like you'd wanna swatch it always. Like if you see it in person, it's such a beautiful rosé champagne looking color. So we'll go ahead and wipe away some of the excess and add some loose setting powder to catch some fallout. And next I'm going to go ahead and take the Point Made 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil. This pencil is so waterproof. What's so crazy is that I know waterproof eye pencils on the market are so dry that they kind of like tug on your eye, whereas like this one is so creamy always that it just glides on, and once it touches the skin it sets. There's like a very limited playtime, but for me I just want the eyeliner to stay. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and take the Point Made 24-hour felt eyeliner pen. This is such a beautiful, the most sickening eyeliner. It is so incredibly black on contact, and it sets, and it's super pigmented, and it's matte. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my time doing this eyeliner. This eyeliner is so beautiful, and as you can see, she is just leaving her eyes down and open. That way I can work and stamp an eyeliner shape that is suitable for her, that I like. Because sometimes if you close your eyes too much, sometimes the skin like wrinkles and it like doesn't allow the eyeliner to glide on. I kind of wanted this feline cat eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing and also do an inner corner point too, which you see right here. And I'm holding it like I'm injecting or drawing some blood. I don't know why I hold my eyeliners like this, but that's what works for me. Now right here, I know it looks a little bit messy, but this is the pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil in Bodacious Black. This is such a black creamy pencil, and then blend it on the lash line. I wanted something very pretty, very dramatic, so I wanted this eye look to be very graphic. So as you can see here, I'm just working gently and blending out a beautiful eyeliner look. At the very end, I blended her lashes. As you can see right now, I like to let the client like kind of rest their eyes because I'm so abrasive with the liner, and it's like a lot of things going around their pupils. So for her, she has very sensitive eyes, so I wanted to wait before I applied the mascara at the very end. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and contour. I'm taking Suntan Bronzer by Milani. You guys know it's my favorite. I feel like we have pretty much a similar skin tone, which I thought it would work for her as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that and blend that contour into the eyeshadow. As you can see, this beautiful blend of eyeshadows is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Laura Mercier highlighter and put this down the nose. By the way, all the colors of her skin tone, everything will be listed in the description box down below, and feel free to click the link. They are affiliate links, and yeah, it's just easier to shop, I feel, if you guys really want to buy something. So here is the Shoop pencil from the Salt and Pepper collection by Milani. It's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. I'm obsessed with brown colors right now, very 90s moment, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with the KKW2 lipstick from Kim Kardashian West, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in so it gives it that neutral lip. I didn't want to go too nude, like erasing the lip. I wanted to have a complementary color to the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Fenty Hot Chocolate Gloss and blend that in on the lips and add a little bit of sparkle with the eye poppers. These eye poppers, you guys, are so freaking pretty. I asked for the largest cosmetic grade glitter ever to put in here, and it's just so gorgeous, and it literally dries right away, so it doesn't flake right away. So this is really such a beautiful glitter, and this is one of my favorite colors, the color Everything and More, and it literally matches the color in the palette called Everything. So I wanted to kind of make them relate. Now for blush, I'm going to go ahead and take the PatrickStarrr blush and apply a little bit of color on the cheeks. Don't you see the look just came together with the blush? And I'm just gonna spray the face, and there you have this beautiful Slade graphic liner look that is just full beat down glamour on my friend Tony, and I hope you guys like it. All right, everyone, this is the finished look. She is Slade to the gods.
Can't tell me nothing right now.
Girl, your hair looks like it's growing out your head. It is
what you mean?
It is in fact.
What you mean?
It is in fact an install, and mine is growing out my head, truth be told. But we had slayed this freaking face to the grounds, girl. She's lashed, brows are snatched, full coverage concealer, highlighter, fresh nude lips, fresh skin, body glow. And I'm so excited that I got to do this for you guys. And if you guys recreate this, please tag me. Please tag One Size Beauty. Please check out the Visionary eyeshadow palette, the pencils, the pen, the eye poppers at Sephora, all North America, and also at onesizebeauty.com. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you so much. Don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.